What's the meaning of conductor? Conductor. Conductor.
Conductor. Conductor. A conductor is a person or object that regulates or directs something, often in the context of music or transportation. In music, a conductor directs an ensemble of musicians to coordinate their playing and interpret a piece of music. In transportation, a conductor can refer to someone who oversees the operation of a train or other mode of transportation. Overall, a conductor is responsible for guiding and coordinating the movements of people or objects towards a desired outcome.